Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll learn how to implement routing in React.js project. In our previous video, we have created three pages: home, department and student page. So we have to use different URL to each page. That is we call as routing. See here right now we are in home page. If I change this URL like department, I should be in department page. If I change this URL to student, I should be in student page, right? So we can do this by React Router DOM. Let's install it by using this command npm install React Router DOM version 5.2.0. Then press enter. It will install React Router DOM to our package to our project. It will take few seconds. It's completed now. Go to Visual Studio Code Editor. Here I will import three components from React Router DOM. Import browser router switch, then route from React Router DOM. In return statement, I will use browser router closing tag. I will paste after div close tag. Inside this div, I use switch. Inside this switch, will create route. Will map home page, department and student page here. Path equal slash, then component will be home. We have to write exact here, then close tag. I'm going to copy this and pasting below that. Here I will map department component. Component will be department. So remove this exact keyword here. Okay, copy this and pasting below that to map student page. Student component will be student. Okay, that's it. Okay, save this. Now start the application by using this command npm start. It will take few seconds to run our application in default browser. Now we are in home page. Okay, now let's change the URL to department. This is department page. Now change this to student page. It's working fine. Now home page. Welcome, this is home page. Okay guys, it's working fine. See you there in next video. Bye.